Who is Ponies for? Ponies is for everybody, baby. It's for absolutely everyone.
Well, the fact that, like, it's told through kind of the perspective of these two women, and really at the end of every episode, it's about their friendship and their growth and them finding purpose in their life and power, like true power within themselves. And it's just kind of like a real cool concept to have a spy thriller show that's like the women are the heroes and it's like told through their experience. Yes. What a concept.
I would have to say the people, because honestly, it's been like a dream of an experience, like being together with all the creatives and the cast. It's been like such a lovely time. Yeah, the people.
What do you think the secret to creating the mystery for you is? By the way, I'm David Iserson. I work for Peacock Social Media.
I think that the secret to creating mystery is to partner with you, because I have absolutely no ability to be mysterious at all. I'm an open book. What you see is what you get. So working with David.
I think often we're slotted into spy thrillers where people are like incredibly knowledgeable and immediately are like inexplicably know how to like use a garrote, and that's just like, you know, here we're really learning as we go, and I think that is very fun and exciting. It's like it's such a fun world.
The people, I can't think of any. I mean, of course, the script and the actual art that we made is amazing, but I hope that it comes across in the edit and the final project that you see how much we loved each other and genuinely loved each other. This was one of the greatest experiences of my life.
Badass. Freaking badass. The very last moments, the very last scene, especially, my God. My God.
Hey guys, let's chat real quick. It is time. I've done my work. I was in Hungary for 6 months, and now it's time for you to do your work. And that is streaming Ponies on Peacock tomorrow.
The show has been a labor of love for us.